What's up guys, everything in one, back again with another video, and today we will check out the new Honor X20 SE, which is the latest mid-ranger by the company, and it comes with a really beautiful design and a really eye-catching display too. When it comes to the first impressions, the phone looks just stunning. A large 6.6-inch bright display with extremely narrow frames around the edges, and the overall screen to body ratio is as high as 94.2%. There's a 16 megapixel punch-hole camera located at the top center of the screen, and if you will observe carefully, the display is just very slightly curved around the top edge, giving it a very premium look. But when we talk about the dark side of this huge beautiful display, it doesn't look that impressive. First of all, it has an IPS LCD panel which is quite untrendy at the moment. Then it also lacks a high refresh rate, not even 90Hz, which looks a shocker to me in 2021. However, if you only care about the appearance and look, this is something really nice at a reasonable price. The phone is powered by a decent 5G integrated MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. In terms of software, it comes pre-installed with Magic UI 4.0 based on Android 11 OS. The device carries support for 22.5-watt fast charging for its 4000 mAh battery. In terms of connectivity, it has USB-C, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a side-mounted physical fingerprint sensor. On paper, the specs of this phone are actually not bad, and it is indeed good mid-range device. Over the back of the phone, we can see a beautiful glass layer which comes with a reflective and glossy tone, and there are a total of 3 cameras aligned vertically on the top left corner along with a LED flash below the sensor. The rear camera setup of the X20 SE comprises a 64 megapixel main camera with an f1.9 aperture and a 2 megapixel depth sensor along with a 2 megapixel macro camera. The rear camera support features like AI photography, dual scene recording, filters, HDR, professional photography, EIS and more. So this is all about the new Honor X20 SE. Let me know what are your opinions about this device. You can check the pricing details in description, and just for a quick info, this phone starts at around $250 to $280 in China. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't already. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.